Hey, oily friends and family, it's a Wednesday, so I want to do a wellness check-in. I also wanted to talk about toxins. There's toxins everywhere in our house, and if you're thinking about removing or start looking and removing those toxins from your home, I'm here to help. So one tip I can share with you, and I wanted you guys to try at home, if you have a real Christmas tree in your home, some of the branches are probably like getting saggy because, you know, that's what the trees naturally do when you take it out of the ground. I've trimmed most of the tree, and then on the extra needles, the pine needles, I stuck it in a jar like this and then poured white distilled vinegar in it. Then I sealed it. I used the press and seal because I lost the lid on this one. Then I let it sit for 24 hours, but I did a little bit longer because I forgot about it and I didn't have really time to pour the vinegar and get the twigs and everything out. But once I did that, I got about 2 cups of vinegar and the pine needle. So to cut the vinegar smell, because it was still a little potent and strong, I added 4 drops of tea tree because it has a chemical compound, which I'll include in the comments because I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. It starts with a T, so check out the comments. I'll leave what the chemical compound is. That is a disinfectant, antibacterial. So that's why I added 4 drops of tea tree, because it's 1 drop to every 4 ounces, and I had 16 ounces in here, so 4 drops. Okay, if you don't have time to do all that, or you don't have a real tree and you just don't want to do that extra work, I've got another solution for you. Natural solution, doTERRA On Guard concentrate. This is my favorite for the kitchen, and then I'm going to use this on my countertops in the bathroom and the kitchen. This one I like to use in the sink, in the shower. And you can put 2 tablespoons, which is 1 ounce of the concentrate per 24-ounce fluid bottle. So in a 24-ounce bottle, you put 2 tablespoons in with the rest of distilled water or some kind of filtered water. You don't want to use tap water. But if you're in a crunch, tap water is fine. And there's other tips for the dishes in the bathroom. Tough jobs, you want to use more, obviously. Apply a concentrate amount on the area. And my favorite, they used to have on here, like you could actually, if swallow, drink a glass of water to dilute. So if you accidentally swallow it, you just need to drink some water. Now, if you don't want to make all that and you're just like, I just want one and done, just give it to me, I don't want to make anything, got a solution for you, the abode line. So you get a 30 milliliter bottle of the multi-purpose abode surface cleaner, household cleaner, whatever you want to call it. Well, they call it a surface spray. Pour into the bottle, and then there is a line right here to add the rest with water, distilled or filtered. But of course, if you're in a crunch, tap is fine. So you have choices, you guys. You have choices. So if anyone wants to start their LRP and get these products, whether it's the On Guard Abode or you make your own, I will throw in for those LRP new orders, brand new LRP people, a spray bottle. So you will have this, so you can make your own. Once you get this in your home, you can have the bottle and you don't have to spend more money. So I'm going to save you some time and money. Okay. I only have 2 extra one of these, so only the first 2 people that start their LRP cart this month. So you got until December 31st to start it, and you can start it in January. But I want, you know, the goal is to start it this month, going into January. Try it for 90 days, and if you don't like it, then cancel it. But any points you've earned, use them before you lose them, because once those are gone, those are gone. Okay, so those are the benefits of the Loyalty Club. And that's it, you guys. That's all I wanted to share with you. It's just some ways to start removing toxins from your home. Because again, there's only 2 sources for fragrances. That's petroleum, coal tar based. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Disrupts the hormones, the endocrine system. We don't want those toxins doing that, because we're keeping our hormones balanced, ladies. Because if they go tinkering off, then we tinker off. We turn into Karens. And then what else? Where was I going with that? I lost my train of thought. Oh well, that's it. That's it, you guys. I'll figure it out later. If I remember, I'll put it in the comments, as well as the chemical compound found in tea tree. Okay, bye guys. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I'll see you in, well, I don't know if I'll be here. I'll throw in a video next week, but I'll see you in January. All new content. Stay tuned for that, because I'll be posting what all that new content's going to be, and I want you guys not to miss out, because it's all natural solutions that's going to make you happy. Okay, bye guys. Have a very Merry Christmas. Bye, and a Happy New Year. See you next time.